How about we don't make noise too much?
No, but we gotta
sneak up behind them, get near their spawn, and
yeah, but we gotta draw the attention away.
we can push all the way.
Our job is just to take bullets.
Yeah. We're gonna run like this. I'm down. So you guys, what's your jogging power down?
Oh yeah.
Oh, cool.
Not a bad thing.
No, it's whatever works. I'm the guy that you're like 30 yards away and I pull out my knife and I'm like, I'm gonna get a knife kill. I don't, but I think I can. Hey guys,
Yeah.
make a lot of noise. Yeah. Make them, let them see you.
For Obama! Dude, no.
Hey, that way if they're cutting across, you guys can come around and just, you can start giving them some stuff to play with, right?
Yeah. I'll play it.
I'll give you guys some stuffed animals.
Hey, I'll go this way.
Okay, yeah, because they'll probably, from what I know, just run into the fence and just keep walking into it and don't know what to do. Probably. Hey, Jerry. Hey, Bobby. That's fine.
Hey, and you guys can just give us good firing support, because remember, they're going to go over there and try to guard that building really fast. If I were them, I'd be running to that ridge and coming down on that ridge. So you guys can work those trees and start taking them off the ridge.
Alright.
Okay?
Sounds good. I think we know the spot. We can do that.
Hey, Dad. We're always on comms. Dad! Hey!
I get ready.
People are shooting at me! That's not good. They're still waiting.
I do not want.
Hey, moving through the ridge. Here they come.
Yep. Covering fire.
Alright, can you cover? I'm going into there.
There you go. Alright, Bobby. Need to lay something down.
I'm not seeing them.
Alright, they're behind trees.
They're moving up on the right.
I'm going. Ready?
Oh, get back to me. Get back to me.
Alright. Alright, I'm going.
Go. Oh, look out, Thomas. Yeah. It's Bobby.
Huh?
It's Bobby. They're off the ridge. They're off the ridge right now, so go. Jared's hit. Thomas, I'm coming in behind you.
We're kind of chopped down at the top building.
You just drew all their fire. Nice, Bobby. Nice.
Bang, bang.
You're right.
You're hit.
You want to die now or die later?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Good job.
Don't worry. Bang, you bang.
What, Jared?
Thomas. Thomas. Thomas, there's one guy in there. Force should be clear, Thomas. There was only one guy in there.
Black kids in there.
What?
Where'd you get? I cleared the forest. Maybe one kid in the forest. You might as well.
Get down, get down, get down. They'll start shooting at us.
Why did you draw fire to me?
I'm gonna move up in just a minute.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah, I think I am.
Do you think you are?
Just maybe.
Just maybe.
I went up to the tree on the left. You got me covered. He's up on the ridge.
Covered.
You got me?
Yep.
Two forest.
One o'clock.
My 2 o'clock, pointing towards the ridge.
Okay, what's your rotation? Just got back from spawn. I'm pushing on our right flank. Keep along the creek. I just walk up like I'm part of the other team, and I just walk right in an hour.
I'm by the tree right in front of their spawn.
At the spawn. Hook up with you. In the trees, guys, in the trees. Get back.
He's down. Two more moving forest. Hit!
Hey! You guys behind the building!
Building!
We're friendly! We're green!
He's right there in the window!
Behind the building!
He's in the window! You guys can't be in our spawn if you guys are green. Okay, well, I just got friendly fire then.
Yeah, we heard you guys. I said we've got green behind the building.
Green behind the building.
I'm so sorry, guys.
Go ahead and go back out. We got us on the tree line.